What's up, YouTube? This your girl LoftyLiyah. We is back with another reaction video. As you guys see by the title, we got NBA YoungBoy in the building. We finna watch his full court hearing. We finna see what it's about, what he got, and see is he finna be a free man in the streets again. You feel me? But clean in the streets and away from the illegal activities that he be partaking into. You got money now, NBA. You don't need to be partaking in these activities. So, hey, let's watch this full court hearing. Before I get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 10K subs. So help your girl reach that 10K subs. You feel me? We like 300 subs away. So help your girl do that. But let's go and get into this court hearing, bro. I want to see what it's about. Like, it's been a little dry in this music without YoungBoy dropping. I thought he was like supposed to.
Weapon.
He was supposed to drop a song, but he ended up getting taken. Which is like, why? Why, YoungBoy? Why? But here we go. Let's get it. Hold on. Why dude look like that? Hold on, y'all. Why is he looking like that? And why does just coming out of one ear? The sound is out of one ear, but YoungBoy, why'd he look like that? Mustache got him looking like that. Is crazy. It's crazy how a mustache can completely change your identity. My boy look like a Espanol right here. El Chapo, NBA boy. Look at him smiling. Also, that mustache is thick, baby. That is thick mustache. Looking like Mario. Okay. I don't like how this sound coming out of one ear. Was that the lawyer? You okay?
All rise. Court for the first judicial district of the state of Utah and for the county of Cass.
State of Utah, Judge Spencer Walls.
You may be seated.
Spencer D. Walls. Free my boy, my
Good
man.
morning. Let's call the case of State of Utah versus Kentrell Deshaun Galden, case 241100468. Counsel, please state your names for the record.
Aaron Jossie for the state. Drew Finley and Zach Finley on behalf of Mr. Galden.
Is that doctor he tried to
We're here
use?
today for a preliminary hearing and a bail hearing. I've had the opportunity to meet with the attorneys in chambers, and
Okay.
it does appear that there has been some type of arrangement reached between the parties. Mr. Finley, would you like to go ahead and state that for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, counsel for the state and myself have been in negotiation really since yesterday, but throughout this morning, and I've explained those negotiations to Mr. Galden. We are going to waive a preliminary hearing in this matter. In exchange for that, a bond will be set at $100,000. Mr. Galden will be able to use a commercial company to make that bond. That will be an aggregate bond covering everything in total, as contained in the charging instrument.
100K bond?
Thank you, Mr. Finley. Mr. Keller, does that accurately represent the agreement that's been reached between the state and Mr. Galden?
Yes, it does, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Galden, have you had enough time to speak to your attorneys about this decision to waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand that the standard at a preliminary hearing is a much lower burden of proof that the government would have to meet than at trial? So instead of proof beyond a reasonable doubt, it's a lower burden of proof, which is there a reasonable belief that a crime was committed by you? And the court has to view all the evidence that it would receive in a light most favorable to the government, to the prosecution. Understanding that legal standard and having had discussions with your attorneys, do you hereby waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
The court finds that Mr. Galden has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to his preliminary hearing. He will be bound over for trial on all the charges set forth in the information, the charging document in this case. Bail will be set through stipulation of the parties at $100,000. That will be
100K?
bondable.
Bondable.
And in talking
You
to
got
the
that?
attorneys, it sounds like they would like to set
Is that Yaya? Don't tell me it's that Yaya. Yaya made it to the court date to watch her man. I'm so weak. Yaya is in the stands. This girl says she ain't missing it. That is funny, bro. Yaya still in love with YoungBoy. Oh, so weak.
And in talking to the
She
attorneys, it
make
sounds
sure
like
she's
they would
second
like
row.
to set this out for an arraignment at a later point in time. Mr. Finley, would you like to go ahead and articulate anything
She snuck her
specific
way
related
in
to
there.
that?
Yes, Your Honor, as discussed in chambers, and I explained to Mr. Golden, even if it's set up for arraignment, say in 60 days, the court has made it clear through discussion with counsel, if there is a resolution well before then, we're welcome to come back before Your Honor at any point in the future.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So we'll set Mr. Galden's arraignment out in about 60 days. That arraignment would take place through WebEx. We'll have Mr. Galden brought here to the courthouse.
I don't know
And
nothing about
then if
court,
Mr.
nothing about
Finley,
these, what they talking about. I just heard 100K
would like to
bond.
appear remotely for that hearing, he may do so.
He still got to come back.
Also, if the attorneys
Sound
reach
like-
some sort of resolution prior to those 60 days expiring, then just reach out to Angie, and we'll get that on my calendar in a timely fashion. Angie, a date about 60 days out for that arraignment on a Monday morning, probably. July 1st, at what time? 9? Okay, so that would be July 1st at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. Mountain Time, whatever you'd prefer.
Either one.
Okay, let's do 9 a.m. Does that work for the state?
It does, yes.
All right, Mr. Galden, your arraignment will be July 1st, 9 a.m. You'll be brought over from the Cache County Jail, assuming that you're still incarcerated. If not, you'd be able to appear remotely for that hearing as well, or appear in person, whatever your preference
So
would
you
be.
got to come back July.
Is there anything else that needs to be stated on the
Still
record here
finna be
today,
locked
counsel?
up until
Yeah,
July.
Mr. Golden.
Further from the state.
All right, with that, we'll conclude this hearing. Court is adjourned.
Exactly. Or he gonna do the 100K bond, so still gotta come back in July. So who he talking to? He see Yaya in that corner. Who said I love you too? Dang, he should have showed who he was talking to. Who in the front row? With all his women's. Probably all his women's.
Just let me know that's what
I don't know about them white women. Look at the news lady.
This is
So let me read these comments. Came in looking like young. Everybody gonna see what he talk about what he looked like. I'm really wishing this young man the best. He has access to the people that can give him some real game, but he has to wait to want it for himself. Right man got him looking like that. He commits that most crime and be getting cut breaks is crazy. That's how it works when you have $1 million lawyer. He has YFN Lucci attorney and he beat a murder charge. YB lawyer definitely broke bread with the prosecutor. He ain't objective to nothing the lawyer had to say. That's sad. Wow, do all them kids and stay in jail. Hey, he gonna get out of there, man. It sound, never waive your right in the prelim. Never waive your right in preliminary hearing. You're guaranteed taking yourself to trial. You basically admitted to being guilty. Exactly. He got fired lawyer. And hey, I guess he gotta come back. I guess he gotta come back when? July 1st at 9:00. So I guess that's his next hearing or something going on. But I heard 100K. And hey, he gonna be getting out soon. It sounds like he got some fire lawyers. They know what they doing, and YB got money, so he gonna be out soon, man. Just gotta wait a little longer. But yo, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.